Schwanke and welcome back to my channel. I have a fun new haul for you guys today. My son Caleb specifically asked for his birthday this year. He wanted to have his big present be his room getting redecorated. So what I've been doing over the last couple weeks is just getting things together for his room. And when I have everything compiled, which I have most everything now, but when I have everything ready, then he is going to unwrap all of the different things that I got for decorating his room, because that's what he wants. So today I'm going to be sharing with you guys all of the different things that I got for his room. He wants an adventure / explore type of room, so I'm really excited to show you guys all the things that I got, because some of the things are just so cute and I love it, and I think he's gonna love it too. So the places I went shopping is Hobby Lobby, Target, Mercari, and Amazon. So I will definitely be leaving as many links down in the description below for you guys. So if you like anything that you see here, you should be able to get most of them online or in store. So let's go ahead and get started. So I got lots of different things, from desk decor, wall decor, new bedding, and things like that, because new bedding is like the top thing that you really need when you're redecorating your room, because it really sets the mood for the rest of the whole room. So let's start with that. So what was really fun about shopping for all this stuff is that all of my family members on my husband's side and my side pitched in to help fund all of these fun things. So it wasn't just from me and my husband, it's from the whole family just pitching in and getting him fun things for his room. So the first thing that we got, I have lots of things. The first thing that we got, that, like I said, the bedding really sets the mood for the whole room. So what I found on Amazon is actually this bedding set. It kind of has a geometric look to it, but it really reminds you of mountains. And I felt like, because we were going in the adventure type of theme and exploring, that mountains are really kind of like up that alley, you know what I mean? So I'm gonna go ahead and pull this out. I don't wanna fully unbox anything really, because I want him to be able to open that stuff on his birthday. So this is basically what it looks like. I'll pull out some of this stuff, but it's really pretty. If you guys can see that well. So it's different patterns and triangles that kind of have a mountain look to them. So that's the idea we were going for. And you also have blues, you have grays, and so that's basically the color scheme for his whole room is blues and grays, and he loves blue, so it works out really great. So this is a duvet cover, and I will link this down below for you guys. This is from Amazon. It's really cute. It comes with the duvet cover and 2 pillowcases, I believe. There might be more in here, but I think it's just the duvet and 2 pillowcases. And then we actually picked out some sheets on Amazon as well. So we got him these ticking stripe, gray and white striped sheets. Hopefully you guys can see that a little bit, but they're really cute. It comes with 1 twin flat sheet, a twin fitted sheet, and 2 standard pillowcases. So this is gonna look really, really cute with the mountain design on the duvet. So we got that. The next thing, my sister-in-law actually got him this. I'm gonna go ahead and pull it out. So Amazon has these decor pillow covers that you can buy for basically any room design. So we found this one. It's really cute. It says "Adventure Awaits." It's really, really cute. And it has like a burlap feel to it, but it's like an ivory with black writing on it. And you can just open it up. I think there's a zipper underneath here. And she also got him the pillow insert to go inside of that. So this is the pillow insert. You can get these on Amazon as well. And you just get them like 1 inch bigger on each side, and it really helps keep the pillow form when you have a case. So it's gonna be really cute. It's just a little lumbar decor pillow for his bed. So I loved that. And I also found this at, was I at TJ Maxx? I think I was at TJ Maxx when I found this. Let's see. Yeah, TJ Maxx. And I got this really, really cute blanket for only $24.99. This is by DKNY, but it has that same blue on the bottom as on the duvet cover. And then you also have some sage green, some ivory, some taupey tan colors. It's a really pretty blanket, but also just the design on it, that pattern and stuff, it's gonna be so perfect at the end of his bed. So that is his bedding. And then, oh, we also have this really cute little alarm clock because last Christmas we forgot to give this to him. So we figured this would be perfect for his room redo. But it's a little white alarm clock because he really wanted an analog clock. And this is also an Amazon find. Isn't that cute, you guys? I just love it. It's gonna look so cute next to his bed. So those are the things for his bedding area. And I also wanted to say, if you guys are interested, I am planning to do a video for a redecorate with me for his room. So after he has his party this weekend and opens all these things, we are going to basically redecorate it, and I think it's gonna be a lot of fun. So that was that box. Now we also have, I think I'll go over the lamps next. I got 2 lamps, so hold on just a second. Okay, so the lamps are gonna be just a little bit harder for me to show you guys. One of them I can't even pull out of the box because it's gonna have to basically be built and put together, but it's really cool. So when I show you guys that one, I'll show you how it looks when it's supposed to be built, like a little picture. But I will show you the box it's in too. So this is actually a lamp that we got from Target. My sister ordered this for my son, and I think he's gonna love it for his desk. So it's a task lamp. Go ahead and pull it out here. But I wanna try and keep it in the plastic so that it feels a little more special for him when he opens it. But I don't know, maybe I can untie it and then put it back together. Okay, so it's blue. I love it so much. This is what it looks like, you guys. Hopefully you can see that well. So it has a blue shade. It has a gold arm on it here. And this really cool cord that's like covered in fabric. But it turns on really easily, just with the top here, so he should just only have to touch it once and turn it on. So I think it's gonna be great. It's really cute. It matches the globe that my sister also got for him. So this is the globe that she got for him. I really wanted this for his desk too, and I think it's just gonna look so good with this task lamp. So this is from Target. It was only $14.99. Also, I wanted to mention, this you can get in store, but this task lamp is, I think, online only, and it was $28.99. So yeah, it's just gonna be so cute together. I just love this though. It also has the gold on it. It's really pretty, but a really great deal. My cat's decided to come and visit, so she might end up in this video. So those are 2 of the things my sister got for my son. They're really, really cute. And then this is the other lamp. This is gonna be his end table lamp for, you know, bedtime and stuff. So it's actually gonna be fairly tall. I've gotta get my cat out of here. Cammy, you wanna say hi? Hi, everybody. This is Cammy, my cat. Always in my face. Okay, so this is what the lamp looks like, and I will show you guys a better picture too. But that's basically what it looks like. It's very cool. It kind of reminds you of a sextant, which is also very much explorer type of decor and stuff. So it's gonna be really cool, and when I do my video for how I redecorate his room, you guys will see it really, really well. So here we go. Next, so one of the other desktop, dresser top type of items that I got for decor is this really cute little LED lantern, and it's navy. I don't know if you guys can see that very well, but it basically looks like that. It's still in the box, but it's navy. It looks very vintage. I just think it's gonna look really cute on his dresser for decor. So we got this on Amazon as well. I also got this. This is from Hobby Lobby, but I actually saw this on the website, and it's just so cute. It's like a paperweight. It has different things on it. So on this side you have trees, you have Be Brave, some mountains, explore, and on top you have a compass, and on the bottom you have a teepee. And this was $12.49, but I think it was half off because it was like desktop stuff was half off that day. So always go to Hobby Lobby when things are half off. It's just like a rule, you know? Saves you all kinds of money, but it's so cute, and I thought it was would be really cute on his dresser or his desk. So I haven't decided exactly how I'm going to move all the tabletop stuff around yet, but probably the day that I film my second video is when I'm gonna figure that all out. Let's move on to wall decor. So I actually got two project type of pieces for my son's room. One of them I need to just fully paint so that you can actually see it on his wall, and that is this. This is a 24-inch compass. Hopefully you guys can see that well, but it's got north, south, east, and west. And this compass thing in the middle here, it's metal. It's just plain white. I got it for, well, it was $24.99. I ended up spending $14.99 on it at Hobby Lobby, which is a steal. I looked at other places for the exact same thing in the same size, and they wanted like 60 bucks for this thing, you guys. So this is an amazing deal if you need something like this on your wall. And my plan is to use a matte gray, like a medium gray spray paint on it so that it stands out against his wall. You guys can see the type of wall color that we have in my house is more of like, it's a really light gray that's nearly on the verge of being white. So putting something white on that wall, it wouldn't be seen. So I want to spray it. Man, my cat is being naughty. What are you doing? So I definitely want it to be seen on the wall. So I have this awesome compass. And I'll show you guys the last, well, maybe, yeah, I'll show it to you guys in a little bit. But there is one more project piece that's going to take a little bit more elbow grease. But next, so this piece I showed you guys on my Instagram stories a while back when I was shopping. This piece is big. It's like, I think it's 36 inches long. This cat, you guys. Probably be able to see her in a second here. But it says, let's explore. It is good size, but I really wanted something like this for above my son's bed. And this was on sale for, I think it was 40% off. I can't remember if it was for the spring collection as well, because a lot of the spring collection stuff at Hobby Lobby was on sale for 40% off. So that's what we have for above his bed. I think it's really, really cool. I was determined to have explore and some mountains above his bed, and this checked both boxes for me. So I was really, really happy to find that. And it's heavy though. It's gonna take some work getting that above his bed. So also, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys these. So I love, love, love Mercari, you guys. If you've never shopped on Mercari, this is not an ad and not sponsored, by the way. I just love shopping on Mercari. It is one of my favorite used clothing, used stuff website ever in app. So also, if you guys want to use it and you have never used it before, I have a save $10 off coupon code you guys can use in the description below. That gives you guys $10, gives me $10 to shop with, which is fun. So that's just a heads up. But so I got these Oars on Mercari. These are so cool. I'm going to hang them like this on a wall. But my thing is, they're very orange, they're vintage, they are very well worn, which is kind of what I wanted. But what I'm gonna do is I'm going to strip all the paint off of it and expose the weathered wood underneath, and then I'm going to whitewash it, and then I'm going to do a design on the paddle part, and I will show you guys a picture right here of some that they have at Kirkland's, which are super cute, but they're like, I think it's like $60 per oar if you do that, which is insane. Like, do it yourself. It's so much easier and fun. I love DIY stuff, you guys already know that. So this is gonna be a really fun project that I'm going to start on tonight. I wanted to film this first so you guys can see what they look like. They're very, very orangey. They desperately need to be stripped. So it's gonna be a fun project though. So those are going on his wall. And then, whoa, things are falling. There's too many things. I have two things left to show you guys. One more of them. This is my favorite piece for the entire room, you guys. Oh, just ignore the, I'm gonna have to stand up. So this is a good sized map. I think it's about 35, 36 inches long, but I was determined to find a map that could go above his desk because he said he really, really wanted a map for his new room. And this one is really cool. It has words like airplane travels. Ignore the line in the middle. That is the piece of wood that supports the back. But this is just so cool. And I also found this on Mercari. I'm obsessed with that website. But the person who sold it to me said it was from Target originally. And I looked and looked and looked and they didn't have it anywhere. This was the only place I could find it was on Mercari. So I got it for $30, shipped to me. Awesome. The paddles I also only spent $30 on. It was a total steal compared to what Kirkland's wants. And I want to put this word, I want to put adventure above that. So this is really cute. I got it at Hobby Lobby for $9.99 on sale. So this is gonna go directly above the map. So that is my haul, you guys. I think I did pretty good. I cannot wait to see everything put together. I think my son is going to absolutely love it, and I cannot wait to film that video. Just so he can watch it. He wanted me to film this video for you guys so he could watch this too another time. But yeah, it's gonna be really fun. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to check out the description box below. I will try and link as much as I can, whether it's a website or just if you guys want to shop on Mercari. I highly recommend Mercari, it's amazing. I just love it so much. I bought like 5 pairs of shoes on there recently, it was great. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Definitely give it a big thumbs up and subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Thanks for watching.